If you need to combine a bunch of different images into a single PDF document, you can actually do it in less than 2 minutes without paying for any expensive software. To start, open up your favorite web browser on your computer and head over to a website called ilovepdf.com. Once the main page loads, hover your cursor over the All PDF Tools option located at the very top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and you want to look for and click on the option that says JPEG to PDF. Don't worry if your images are in a different format, like PNG, because this tool handles various image types perfectly fine anyway. Next, click on the large red button that says Select JPEG Images. This will open up your computer file explorer. To grab multiple images at once, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each individual photo. Or you can simply click and drag your mouse over all the files you want to include. Once you have highlighted your group of photos, click the Open button in the bottom corner. Now you will see your images loaded onto the screen as thumbnails. The cool thing here is that you can completely customize the layout before finalizing anything. If the order is wrong, just click and hold on an image, then drag it into the exact position you want. Over on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a settings panel. You can switch the page orientation from portrait to landscape, adjust the page size to fit standard paper formats, and even add or remove margins around your photos. Before hitting the final button, make sure the box for merging all images into one single PDF file is selected. Once everything looks good, click on the Convert to PDF button at the bottom right. The website will process the files instantly. Click the Download PDF button, and the new file will save straight to your Downloads folder. You can open it up right away to scroll through your beautifully organized, multi-page PDF document.